Are these all your fields?
Yes, they are. No one else has better fields than mine. Those flowers are from our fields too.
They are lovely.
This train gives tourist view of my fields.
You are one lucky man.
Yes, I know. We'll show you the field at next stop. Have you seen anything like this before? This is all mine. I own all of this.
This is an amazing view.
I know. Wasn't it a fun day?
Was a wonderful day. Thank you.
Yes, Amir? What is it? There is a bad news. There is nothing bad for me. I can turn around anything. Fire erupted in the fields. What? The fields are destroyed. I am really sorry. What are you talking about? You are lying. I just came back from the fields. We are trying to find the reason. But this is the truth. Oh. Allah. I'm totally destroyed. I'm sorry, Allah. This was all given by you. And I thought I can do whatever. Now I know. Allah, I was wrong. Forgive me.